What if I told you that your next financial advisor doesn't wear a suit, doesn't drink coffee, never sleeps, and might already be managing millions of dollars without ever shaking a single human hand?
Sounds futuristic, right? Well, welcome to 2026, where AI financial advisors are quietly taking over personal finance, from investing and budgeting to retirement planning and wealth management.
But here's the real question. Are these digital money brains actually making people richer? Or are they just really good at sounding smart while quietly following fancy algorithms? Today on XTRM Finance, we're dissecting the rise of AI financial advisors, exposing what they do best, where they fall dangerously short, and when you should trust the machine or trust your very human gut. Buckle up, because this might change how you think about money forever. This is XTRM Finance, where we break down money, markets, and modern wealth strategies without the boring jargon and without selling you dreams we wouldn't buy ourselves. If that sounds like your vibe, you're in the right place. Let's start simple. An AI financial advisor, also called a robo-advisor, is software that uses artificial intelligence, algorithms, and data models to help people manage their money. They can build and rebalance investment portfolios, optimize asset allocation, manage risk based on your profile, automate savings and budgeting, analyze spending habits, recommend tax-efficient strategies, and in some cases, even predict financial trends, all without human emotion and without charging you traditional advisor fees. Think of them as the Netflix recommendation engine, but instead of suggesting movies, they're suggesting how to grow your wealth. AI financial advisors didn't just appear out of nowhere. They exploded because of three massive shifts. After market crashes, hidden fees, and questionable advice, many people, especially younger investors, started asking, why am I paying thousands for advice that underperforms the market? AI promised transparency, logic, and fewer conflicts of interest. Shift number 2. The data advantage. AI thrives on data. And finance is basically a data buffet. Market prices, earnings, inflation, interest rates, consumer behavior. AI doesn't get tired of spreadsheets. It lives in them. Shift number 3. Accessibility. Traditional financial advisors often require high minimum balances, long meetings, complicated paperwork. AI advisors, you can start with $10 on your phone while wearing pajamas. That's powerful. Plus, let's be honest, AI never judges you for buying coffee 5 days in a row. Your human advisor might say, let's talk about your spending habits. AI just quietly adjusts the algorithm and moves on with its robotic life. No shame, no sighs, no raised eyebrows. Honestly, that alone might be worth it for some people. So how do these digital advisors actually work? Most AI financial advisors follow a core process. Step 1, data collection. They gather information like income, expenses, age, risk tolerance, financial goals, time horizon. Some even track real-time spending behavior. Step 2, risk profiling. Using machine learning models, they categorize you as conservative, moderate, or aggressive, not based on vibes, but based on probabilities. Step 3, portfolio construction. AI builds a diversified portfolio using ETFs, index funds, bonds, equities, sometimes crypto or alternatives, all optimized for expected return versus risk. Step 4, continuous optimization. Here's where AI shines. It rebalances automatically, adjusts allocations based on market conditions, minimizes taxes through tax loss harvesting, and learns from new data over time. No emotions, no panic selling, no hype buying, just math. This is the million-dollar question. Do AI financial advisors actually make more money? Short answer, sometimes. Long answer, AI generally doesn't beat the market in dramatic ways, but it often beats human behavior. And that's huge. Most investors lose money not because of bad assets, but because of bad decisions. Panic selling, chasing hype, overtrading, emotional investing. AI removes those mistakes. It doesn't get scared during crashes. It doesn't get greedy during bubbles. It just follows the strategy. That alone can significantly improve long-term results. Let's be fair, AI financial advisors are fantastic at certain things. 1. Long-term passive investing. If your goal is retirement, wealth accumulation, hands-off investing, AI excels. It sticks to the plan when humans are tempted to panic. 1. Cost efficiency. Traditional advisors might charge 1% to 2% annually. AI advisors often charge 0.25% or less. Over decades, that fee difference can mean hundreds of thousands of dollars. 2. Consistency. AI doesn't forget. AI doesn't procrastinate. AI doesn't ghost you. It executes strategies perfectly every time. For people new to investing, AI removes fear and complexity. No intimidating meetings, no confusing jargon, just clear goals and automated execution. I want to hear from you. Would you trust an AI with your money? Or do you still prefer a human advisor? Drop your answer in the comments right now, because the debate is just getting started. And if this video is already making you think differently about money, hit that like button so more people can see it. All right, let's keep going. Now for the uncomfortable truth. AI financial advisors are not magic. They have serious limitations. Limitation number 1, no contextual life understanding. AI doesn't understand divorce, career burnout, family dynamics, personal values, sudden life shocks. It sees numbers, not human complexity. Limitation number 2, over-reliance on historical data. AI models are trained on the past, but markets change. Black swan events, pandemics, wars, regulatory shifts can break assumptions. AI can adapt, but not instantly. Limitation number 3, lack of creativity. AI optimizes within known frameworks. It doesn't spot visionary opportunities early, understand cultural shifts deeply, or intuitively sense momentum. Sometimes human intuition matters. AI doesn't wake up and say, you know what, I've got a feeling about this investment. It doesn't have gut instincts, it doesn't read between the lines. And sometimes, those irrational human insights are exactly what spot opportunity early. So who wins? Let's break it down. AI financial advisors, low cost, emotionless decision-making, data-driven optimization, 24/7 availability. Downsides, no empathy, limited life context, no creative intuition. Human financial advisors, emotional intelligence, life planning beyond money, behavioral coaching, complex strategy, customization. Downsides, higher fees, potential bias, inconsistent quality. The truth? The future isn't AI or humans, it's AI and humans. The smartest investors are already doing this, using AI for automation and optimization, using humans for strategy and life planning. AI handles portfolio rebalancing, risk management, data analysis. Humans handle major life decisions, ethical considerations, big picture vision. That's how you build resilient wealth. AI financial advisors are ideal if you want low-cost investing, prefer hands-off wealth management, struggle with emotional investing, are building long-term wealth. You may want human guidance if you have complex finances, own businesses or multiple income streams, are navigating major life transitions, want personalized behavioral coaching. Know yourself. That's the real edge. AI financial advisors aren't villains, and they aren't saviors. They're tools, powerful tools. Used wisely, they can help you grow wealth faster, cheaper, and more consistently. Used blindly, they can give a false sense of security. The future of finance belongs to those who understand both technology and themselves. If this video helped you think differently about AI, money, or investing, share it with someone who's still on the fence. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to XTRM Finance for more real talk about wealth and the future. Because money isn't just about numbers, it's about decisions. And the smartest decision is staying informed. See you in the next one.